Today is Super Bowl Sunday, and we must have snacks, right? We must nibble nibble. So I am making some tofu and cauliflower nuggets, and I'm gonna let them marinate in some Texas Pete, along with some garlic powder, onion powder, a little salt, a little pepper, and I would deep fry those. I made some dipping sauce for the fresh veggies, which consists of maybe 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, along with some coconut aminos, a little bit of water, some marinade, and some honey. And I put some hot pepper flakes in there as well. And I'm going to let that thicken up with some cornstarch. Also, I cut up some red peppers, some carrots, and some celery for dipping. I will apologize for not having any sound because my husband was pressure washing our carport, our swing, and so I thought maybe I can keep the sound in, but I couldn't. So I'm sorry you can't hear me frying or dicing up or anything like that. But anyway, I just want you guys to know that. But we have reached the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.